let us continue with the fractions. Let us start with the next main. Write the next three terms in the series of equivalent fractions. Series of equivalent fractions means there are given two fractions here. You have to compare these two fractions and then you will know what is the difference here. See, now they have given here 3 by 6, next is 6 by 12. When you look at the numerator, 3 and 6. 3 into how many times is 6? 3 into 2 times will be 6. The same way when you come to denominator, 6 into 2 times will be 12. 6 2s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So you can see 2 as common factor here, isn't it? So the same way, now we have to go with the numerator 6 into 2. What is 6 into 2? 6 into 2 is 12 by 12 into 2. 12 2s are is 24. Here they have asked for 3 terms in the series. Next 3 terms in the series. So 1 is over. Now let us go for the next term, second term. 12 2s are is 24 by 24 2s are will be 48. Next, 24 2s are you have to see. So 24 2s are is 48 and then 48 2s are. See, now you have to do like this because you will not be knowing the table of 48. So 48 2s are, 2 8s are 16, carry 1, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So it is 96. So now the next 3 terms are over. Let us go for the next one. Yeah. Look at this. 11 by 12, 33 by 36. So when you look at the numerator, you can understand 11 into how many times is 33? 11 into 3 times is 33. So 11 3 is 33. Now again here you can see denominator 12 and 36. So 12 3 is 36. So the common factor here is 3. Now let us see 33 into 3. 33 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 3 is 9. Okay. So here it is 99. Down 36 into 3. 3 6 are 18. Carry 1. 3 3s are 9 and 1 10. So it is 108. Next number. Again 99 multiplied by 3. So 99 multiplied by 3. 3 9s are 27. Carry 2. 3 9s are 27 plus 2 is 297. So the next term is 297 by 108 into 3. Yes. 108 into 3. 3 8s are 24. Carry 2. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 1s are 3. So it is 324. 324. So now one term is over, the second term is over. Now we are going to the third one. Again you have to multiply this by 3. 3 is the common factor for all these things. So 297 into 3. 3 7s are 21. Carry 2. 3 9s are 27 plus 2, 29. Carry 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is 8. So it is 891. Again 324 into 3. 324 into 3. 3 4s is 12. Carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 3 3s is 9. So 891 by 972. So did you understand now? Now let us go for the next question. one. Now you see 21 by 25, 105 by 125. So now if you see this numerator, 21 into how many times is 105. So 21 into 5 times, you see 21 into 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So this is 105. Coming to the denominator also it is the same thing, 25 into 5, because it is ending with 5, so you can easily make out it is multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So 125. So you can see that 21 into 5 is common here. Now that same common factor you have to utilize for this also. Now let us see. The numerator is 105 into 5. So it comes 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 5 ones are 5. So the next term here will be 525, again 125 into 5, 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1, 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. So the next term is 625. Now again you have to multiply by 5 for the next one. So only one you have found out. Now you have to find another 2. So again you have to multiply by 5. 525 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 carry 2. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Carry 1. 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26. So the numerator is 2625 by 625. 625 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Carry 2. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Carry 1. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So it is 3125. So now two terms are over. We have to find the next term. Next term is what? Again, this 625. 2625 has to be again multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Carry 1. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. Carry 3. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 3 is 30. So here the next term is 13,125 by again 3125 into 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Carry 1. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. 5 threes are 15. So it is 15,625. The same way you can do here for the other two sums. At home you can work it out. So here you can see 1 and 4. So the common factor here will be 4. So for all the three terms you have to multiply by 4. And here you can see 50 into 2 will be 100. 100 twos are 200. So now common factor is 2. So all the other three terms you have to multiply by 2. So do it as homework in the classwork itself. Now let us go for the next one. Ready? fraction given, you have to go on dividing this and see that it comes to the lowest form. Now, the question is 16 by 18. See, 16 by 18. How can you do it? Because both are even numbers. 6 is also even, 8 is also even. So you can divide by the same, divide the number by the same, which is a 2. 2, 8 is 16, 2 9s are 18. Isn't it? Further, you cannot divide it because here one is even number and the other one is odd number. So there is no table to divide both of them. So you have to write it as 8 by 9. This is the simplest form of 16 by 18. I'll write it here. 2 8s are and 2 9s are. So this is nothing but 8 by 9. So the same thing is written here. Now let us go for the next one. 15 by 20. 15 by 20. See here 5 and 0. So 5 and 0 in the unit placements, this can be easily divided by the same number, which is that number 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Further you cannot divide again here because you can see here one is odd and one is even. Here what will happen? Prime number has already come. When a prime number comes, further you cannot divide it at all. Prime number means I told you in the previous class, it is nothing but which can be divided by itself or by 1. That's all. So there is no table to divide these 3 other than 3 and 1. 3 1s are 3, 1 3s are 3. That's all. So the simplest form of that is 3 by 4. Yes. Now let us go for the next one. 55 by 60. Again you can see here 5 and 0. Here the easy table here is again 5. 5 1s are, 5 1s are, 5 1s are. So 1 will remain 10. 5 2s are 10. So further you cannot divide because 11 again is a prime number which will not be divided by with any other multiple number. So you can take it as 11 by 12. See, the same thing you write here. 11 by 12. Coming to the next one more I do. Other two you have to do it at home. 28 by 36. 28 by 36. Both are even numbers. If you take the units place, 8 and 6 both are unit place. Units even number. So you can divide it by 2. 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 1s are, 1 remains 16, 2 8s are. Now again 4 and 8 has come, so again you can further divide by 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18. Now 7 and 9 both are prime numbers. 7 and 9, so further you cannot simplify. So the answer is 7 by 9. Now these two sums work it at home. Now let us come to this one. Add the following fractions and reduce to the lowest terms where applicable. So now we have to add it. But addition here is nothing but fraction. The fraction itself we have to add. Now you can see the numerator is different but denominator is the same. So when the denominator is the same, what you have to do is you have to write the same number like this. 9 and 9 is there, so you are writing 9. Now you have to take this first term. In the first term, 9 1s are 9, 1 4s is 4. How to do? See, 4 by 9 is equal to 9 if it is like this. So 9 1s are, isn't it? 9 into 1 is equal to 9. Now this one, middle factor, multiply by numerator. The the middle factor multiplied by numerator, you get an answer as 1 4 is 4. So 4 by 9 is your answer there. Plus, this plus you are putting here. Now you have to multiply this with the second fraction. The second fraction is 5 by 9 is equal to, again because commonly 9, so we are writing 9 here. Now again 9 into 1 is 9. This is the middle factor. This into the numerator. So 1 into 5 is 5. So what happens here? What is coming here? 5. So the total answer here is 4 plus 5 is 9. And now 9. So 9 ones are, now both you can, if you cancel, it will be 9 by 9 is nothing but 1. Okay, now let us go for the next one. Seven by 12 plus 11 by 12. Again you can see the common one here is 12. So write 12 as it is in the denominator. Now 12 into 1. See the same again. 7 by 12 is equal to, again here 12. And the second fraction is 11 by 12 is equal to 12 as it is. You leave it. Now, when you look here, what is happening? 12 into 1 is equal to 12. Now, 1 into 7. So, 1 7 is 7. The same way here, 12 into 1 is 12. Now, this middle factor into the numerator. So, 1 11 is 11. So, same number you get almost. See, 7 by 12 and 11 by 12. Same here as it is because the common denominator is the same here. So, now what you try? First one is 7. Second one is 11 because 12 is commonly taken here. So, the second term here is 11. 7 plus 11 is 18 by 12. So, here see, in the unit place if you see 8 and 2 are there, which is even number, which can be divided by one table, which is a table 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12. So 9 and 6 is coming, which can be again divided by a common table, which is a table 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Further you cannot simplify because again you see both are prime numbers. 3 is also prime number, 2 is also prime number. So the answer here will be 3 by 2. This is the answer. So this is the answer. Now coming to the next one. Nineteen by 10 plus 1 by 10. So common factor there is, denominator is 10. Now you have to see the first fraction 19 by 10 and the second fraction is 1 by 10. Denominator is 10 only because both are they are called as like terms. So both are the same. So you are writing 10 only. 10 into 1 is equal to 10. Now this middle factor into the numerator 19. 1 19s are 19. The same way 1 by 10 is equal to 10 is common. 10 into 1 is 10. So 1 is a middle factor. 1 into numerator. 1 ones are 1. So now 19 and 1 has come here. 19 plus 1 is nothing but 20 by 10. 19 plus 1 is 20 by 10. So here you can see 10 ones are, 10 twos are. So what is remaining? 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. 2 divided by 1 is nothing but 2. So children, now take 2 because both are even numbers. 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. Always from the least number you have to start. So then 6 and 4 both are even numbers. Now 2, 2, 3 are 6, 2, 2 are 4. Now here it is different. So what you have to do is, first one you can take it as 3, 1s are 3 and 2 as it is you write. Write as it is because it will not go in 3 table. Now take 2 because 1 is common for everything. 2, 1 as it is, 2, 1s are 2. So now you see, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Into 1 is nothing but 24. So here what happens, you get like this, you have to write 24. Now I will erase this and I will write it down so that I can work it out there. 12 and 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 3 1s are and 2 as it is. Then 2 1 and 2 1s are. So like this when you take it comes to 24. Now you have to follow the same way what I have taught you here. What you have to take? First fraction. What is the first fraction? 1 by 12 is equal to, the here LCM is 24. The same way for 1 by 8 is equal to 24. Now 12 into how many times is 24? 12 2s are 24. So what is the middle factor? 2. 2. Now you have to multiply by numerator. 2 into 1 is 2. So this 2 you have to write here. Plus. Now you see 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 3 is the middle factor. 3 into the numerator. What is 3 into numerator? 3 ones are 3. So write here 3. This 3 you write here. Now it becomes 2 plus 3 is 5 by 24. Here further you cannot divide because 5 is already the prime number. So you cannot divide it further. Yes. Now you can see I will work out this one because this is the highest number. So I will work out here. Between these two you can do as a homework. See, I work out this. 19 and 20. 19 and 20. Now children, 38. 38. So the LCM is 318. 318. These two sums you have to work at home. So this will be complicated. I am taking this now. Now 19 into 100 times is 380. See here. That you can do in the division form. 380 divided by 90. 19 2s are 38 minus 8 minus 8 0. 3 minus 3 0. Bring this 0 down. There is no further division, so you have to write 0 on the top also. Got it? So 19 into 20 times. Now here you can see. 1 minute, I just write it once again. See here. The first fraction. The first fraction is, I'll erase it. Now what you have to do? 11 by 19 is equal to 380. And the next one is 4 by 20 is equal to 380. Now 19 into how many times 380? 19 into 20 times is 380. So here what happens? 20 is a middle factor. 20 into the numerator 11. So 20 into 11. What is 20 into 11? 11 zeros are 0. 11 twos are 22. So the answer here is 220. Now coming to this one. 20 into 19 times is 380. So 19 middle factor into the numerator. So 19 into 4. 19 tables you see. 4 9s are 36. Carry 3. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 is 7. So it comes to 76. Okay. So the first one is 220. See here. 220 plus 76. Now when you add this 220 plus 76, how much it comes? 220 plus 76. 76 you have to write from, always you have to start from ones place only. Don't write 7 here and 6 here, it is wrong. 7 should go to tens place and 6 should go to ones place only. So 0 plus 6 is 6. 2 plus 7 is 9. And bring that 2 down, so it is 296. So this is nothing but 296 by 300.